Hello everyone, myself Zarge sir. Today we are going to learn about second number chapter festival time. There are some new words: festival, Guru Parva, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day. That all are the new words for you. So first word is there festival or first point is there festival. First you understand what is meant by festival. Festival in Hindi we can say Tyohar. We celebrate many festival in India. So India is a great diversity of different kind of festival in India celebrate. On festival, what we do, we have fun with our family members. We wear new clothes. We meet our friend and relatives. We exchange gifts and sweets. On the festival, so that things we can do, we wear new clothes, we meet our friend and relative and give the wishes. For example, if there is Diwali, you can say happy Diwali. If there are Makar Sankranti, then you can meet your friend and relatives and you can say happy Makar Sankranti. Like this you can say. You exchange the gifts and sweet also. So that's like you can celebrate the festival. So festival are of two types: religious festival and national festival. So when you see in downside pictures are there are some religious festival example: Diwali, Eid, Guru Parva, Christmas. Upside is a national festival. So there are some example of national festivals. There are mainly three national festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So what is mean by religious festival? So in India have the different kind of religions. So that which festival are related to our religious, so that festival we can call religious festival. So there are many religious festival in India. These festivals are celebrated by the people of different religions. हर एक धर्म के लोग अपना फेस्टिवल मनाते हैं. उस धर्म से जुड़े हुए फेस्टिवल को हम रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल कह सकते हैं. Let's study about the major religious festival like Diwali, Eid, Guru Parva and Christmas. So Diwali is a festival of light. It is a famous religious festival of Hindu. So we celebrate the Diwali. During Diwali we light up our houses with candles and diyas. We also pray to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. We enjoy burning fire and crackers and sparkles. We also exchange sweet and gift with our friends and relatives. We should play with crackers in the presence of our parents and elders. So on the Diwali, each and every year we can celebrate the Diwali. So on the Diwali festival, what we do? We clean up our houses, we decorate our houses, we decorate with the light and diyas. We making the different kind of sweet in your home, and you can exchange that sweet with your neighbors, relative and friend. You can exchange the gift also with your friend and relatives. And you can burning the fire and crackers also, but don't burn fire and crackers because of air pollution is there. So Diwali is a festival to mark the return of Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshmana from the forest and Lord Rama's victory over Ravana. जब भगवान राम ने रावण का वध करके सीता माता को और लक्ष्मण के साथ जब वापस अयोध्या आए थे, तब अयोध्या के लोगों ने दिया जलाकर और फायर क्रैकर जलाकर एक तरह से खुशी जताई थी. तो उस दिन से हम आज तक दिवाली मनाते हैं. तो इसका एक रीज़न ये भी है कि हमारे भगवान राम की विजय पर हम दिवाली मनाते हैं. आफ्टर दैट ईद इज़ अ फेमस रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल ऑफ मुस्लिम. Eid is a festival of peace and kindness. It is also celebrated the end of the holy month of Ramadan. It is celebrated at the end of the holy month of Ramadan. During Eid, we greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak. We pray at mosque. We also eat a sweet dish called Seviyan on Eid. Children get gifts and money as Eid from elders on Eid. So Eid is a festival of peace and kindness. So it's celebrated at the end of the holy month of Ramadan. So you can observe or you can see that when Eid is here, so that Muslims people are meet each other and saying Eid Mubarak, and they are making the sweet dish. That sweet dish called Seviyan. So children get some gift and money from elders, so that we can call Eid. Guru Parva. Guru Parva are celebrated on the birthday of Sikh Gurus. On this day, we go to Gurudwara to pray. We sing holy song and walk in the group behind a palki. This palki carry the holy book of the Sikh called Guru Granth Sahib. So on the Guru Parva. So Guru Parva is a famous religious festival of Sikh. So Sikh religious are celebrated this Guru Parva festival. They are going into the Gurudwara and they are take out the palki. So palki is a Marathi word. In that palki there is not statue of any god. So that in that palki there is a book. So that is religious holy book. That book's name is Sikh called that Guru Granth Sahib. Okay. So that there is holy book of that religious. They are carry with that in that palki. And they sing the song in front of that. The name of first Sikh Guru was Guru Nanak Dev. He was the founder of Sikh religions. Sikh religion की स्थापना गुरु नानक देव सिख के जो गुरु है उन्होंने की थी. After that Christmas is religious festival of Christian people. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. On this day, we sing the Christmas carols and go to the church at midnight to pray. We eat cakes and exchange gifts. Santa Claus distribute gifts on this day. We decorate the Christmas tree with the stars, balls and jingle bells. When you hear that song, jingle bell, jingle all the way. So that song when you hear, so you can see that time you can say that song is related to Christmas. So on the 25th December every year we can celebrate that Christian people, religious people are celebrate Christmas. So on Christmas they go into the church midnight, they cut the cake and they put the candles and they are decorate that Christmas tree. Okay, so like that they are celebrating Christmas. After that national festival, what is mean by national festival? So each and every person in the country they are celebrate the national festival. So not only the school and government sector but all of there we can celebrate this national festival. On national festivals, you early in the morning you go in school, you are there is a flag hosting program is there are some performance are there related to our national festival. Okay, so like that you can do the celebrate the national festival. We also celebrate national festival. Our national festival are Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These are celebrated by everyone in the country. That's why we can call them national festival. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as the father of our nation. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but people call them Bapu. He fight for the freedom of our country. So Mahatma Gandhi, you know that when you take any currency note, in that on that currency note there is Mahatma Gandhi pictures are there, because that man is very important to give freedom to our country. So that's why we can call father of our nation, and we can call Bapu also. So he is a great Indian freedom fighter. So his favorite song is here, favorite devotional song is here, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patit Pavan Sitaram. So that is the favorite song of Mahatma Gandhi. Now after that, Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. You know that early in the morning you wake up, you wearing your school uniform properly, and you go in school for doing the flag hosting. So we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August every year. We got independence from British rule and become a free nation on 15 August 1947. The Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. On Independence Day, we fly kites on Independence Day to celebrate freedom and independence. So we got independence from 15 August 1947. That's why each and every year we can celebrate 15 August is our Independence Day. On this day, our Indian Prime Minister are hosting the national flag in a Red Fort, New Delhi. Our national flag has three colors: saffron on the top, white in middle, and green at the bottom. It has a wheel in the middle. So our Indian national flag, you know that top of their saffron color is there. We cannot say orange color, we can say saffron color. Middle is their white, and downside bottom is their green color. In the middle white there is a blue color, wheel is also there. Next national festival is the Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. Our country got its own rules and law on 26 January 1950. On this day, a parade is held on Rajpath in New Delhi. The President of India award Medal of Bravery to children and soldiers on 26 January. So every year on 26 January we can celebrate our Republic Day. We got our own rules and law on 26 January 1950. So that day we can celebrate our Republic Day. A parade is held in Rajpath. उस दिन क्या होती है, राजपथ न्यू दिल्ली में परेड होती है, मिलिट्री की, नेवी की, एयरफोर्स वालों की परेड होती है. साथ ही साथ वहाँ पर हमारे जो प्रेसिडेंट है वो सोल्जर को, चिल्ड्रंस को ब्रेवरी अवार्ड देते हैं. ओके, so downside the highest bravery award for the soldier is परमवीर चक्र. सोल्जर को सबसे बड़ा जो अवार्ड दिया जाता है उसे क्या कहेंगे, परमवीर चक्र. So in this chapter we learn about religious festival and our national festival. I hope everyone can understand about our religious and national festival, and everyone enjoy the session. Thank you everyone. Take care.